Alright, so here we are in the refrigerator. Now, check this out, right? I want Jackson to grab healthy food. So, in the very bottom drawer is where I put things that are easy for him to get. Eggs already peeled, carrots and cucumbers, and usually I have a lot of fruit in there, but I need to go to the grocery store. Now, in the next drawer is my stuff. My salad, stuff the kids don't usually eat, except that when I'm trying to be good, they do. So they won't dig through a drawer. On the bottom shelf, I put all of that food that's prepped for me to make different meals. The kids don't seem to touch that. Now you got your bullseye shelf. Bullseye shelf. Now you got your bullseye shelf. This is at eye level for Jackson. He's almost 10. So I will keep fresh. He's almost 10, so I'll keep fresh vegetables, the egg salad, yogurts. When I have cheese sticks, they end up there. In my family, everybody knows that anything on the top shelf in a container is ready to heat up, so I put his macaroni there. And then breakfast stuff that people can grab. But literally, if you have it and you have a system where everyone in your family knows where everything is, they're more apt to go and eat it rather than call for takeout. Just want to tell you these tips.